Are you staring at that frustrating memory card cannot be used error on your Nikon D5600, leaving you unable to capture your precious moments? Let's dive into how we can get your Nikon D5600 recognizing your memory card again, because often, it's a simple fix. First, let's address the most common culprit: compatibility. Not all SD cards are created equal. Ensure your memory card is listed as compatible with the Nikon D5600. You can find this information on Nikon's official support website. If you're using a card that's too old or too new, or has a speed class not supported, this error can occur. Next, let's check for formatting issues. If the card was previously used in another device or formatted differently, your D5600 might refuse to read it. To resolve this, you'll need to format the card using your Nikon D5600 itself. Simply insert the suspected problematic card, navigate to the Setup menu, and look for the Format Memory Card option. Be aware that formatting will erase all data on the card, so back up anything important first. Physical damage or debris can also cause this, so a gentle inspection of both the memory card and the camera's card slot is crucial. Look for any bent pins or visible dust. You can carefully clean the card's contacts with a soft, dry, lint-free cloth. If those steps haven't worked, try a proper reinsertion. Power off your Nikon D5600, completely remove the memory card, then firmly reinsert it until it clicks into place. Once it's secure, power your camera back on and see if it's recognized. Many users report success by trying a different, known good memory card. If a different card works flawlessly, it strongly suggests the original card itself might be faulty. By systematically checking compatibility, reformatting, ensuring cleanliness, and trying alternative cards, you can get your Nikon D5600 back to capturing your world without that frustrating error message.